The 2006 BMW X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.